Experience driving perfection in the 2018 Ram 2500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors and seats, skid plates, rain-sensing wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power-adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.